Haha, Tipsy D. Let me tell you about my dream one time. Here it goes. Bago matulog sa gabi, sa kwarto I'm chillin', smoking at red horse, sa baso I'm sippin'. Problema ko sa buhay, wag na munang isipin. Di nagbalay nakatulog, I was drunk, sleeping. Bigla kong naramdaman gumiginaw sa paligid ko, para bang umiilaw. Pagdilat ko, I'm in a whole other place. Lumulutang na pala ako sa outer space. Dun sa Milky Way, maraming milkshake fruities. Nagkalat din mga chocolate chip cookies. Pupunta ng Mars, baka makamit ng Martian na may katawang malaking Kardashian. I'm serious, man. And we float for a while, but I gotta go. Wish I can stay. Bye, Mars. Yeah. Bumalik sa Earth kasi biglang na-miss ko. Makipag-flirt pati magwala sa disco. Sige lang sagot ko hanggang alas 5. Pagkain at inumin ilista sa bill ko. Sa tindi ng lasing ko, hindi ko na malaya. Nasa stage na ako, ang lahat nagsasabayan. What the hell, is this real? Am I getting famous? Ganyan daw talaga, if you get in paper. Kaya naman ngayon, palaging busy. Shopping balalay parang si Dweezy. Everything you want, just wish I give ya. I'ma roll up like Wiz Khalifa. Hey girl, after party, can you ride with me? You can get all you want, that's alright with me. We don't have to be in love, we don't need that much. We can wake up tomorrow, no strings attached. That's good life over there. What? What? Listen, malaking bahay, maraming kotse, palaging tagay, palaging doble, pasarap buhay, laging strolling, kain ng kain, paano maboboring? Quarter pounder, no sesame seeds, large fries, large drinks, yo, everything big, red velvet buttercream, cheesecake, tart, ice cream, cupcake, good with yogurt. Talking about shoes, swagger, Matikas, Converse, Reebok, Nike, Adidas, rockin' them kicks when I'm walking on streets, be attracting them chicks, photogenic on flicks, yeah. Lahat ng tao-tao sa akin ay don, sa dami ng bahay ko pwede nang mag-ampon, pwede nang mambabae nang walang relasyon, pero nabago ang lahat nung nag-alam na yung phone. Shit, shit na pala. May pasok pa ako. Dito pa yung bote ng red horse. Shit. Just a motherfucking dream. Shoutouts for my man Panther. 047 Records. Abacadas. Bataan Hip Hop Movement. You are see familiar. It's your boy Tipsy D.